set 10, column 25 reads, let Q denote the point 4, comma 2. There are 2 points P on the circle x squared plus y squared equals 2, such that PQ is tangent to the circle. So we have a point Q, 4, comma 2, that has 2 tangent lines to the circle with a radius of square root of 2. That's centered at the origin. And we need to find, P2, which has fractional components. So one of these two has fractional components, and we need to find the values of A and B. So to do that, you make a triangle centered with the center and AB where it's tangent to, and point Q. And with that, we can find the distance of this by using the distance formula, and that's square root of 20. And then this is just the radius because it's the origin to the tangent point. So that's square root of 2. And then we can use the distance formula up here. So then we have the square root of 2 minus b squared plus 4 minus a squared. That's all under the square root. So now we have to find 4a. We also have the equation of the circle. So we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem here to have square root of 2 squared, square root of 2 squared plus the square root of 2 minus b squared plus 4 minus a squared, and that's all squared, and that equals the square root of 20, which is 20. So we're gonna simplify this more. So 2 plus another thing we can do is we can plug in AB because AB is on the circle. So we have A squared plus B squared equals 2. Okay, I'm going to continue simplifying this. 2 plus. So there, I just FOILed both those things out. I'm going to bring the A squared and the B squareds together. I'm doing that because then we're going to plug in 2 for that. Minus 8a minus 4b. I'm going to bring everything else to the right side. So 20 minus 16 is 4. Minus 4 is 0. Minus 2 is negative 2. So now we're going to plug in. Except for that. So we have negative 8a minus 4b equals, because of this 2 now, this equals negative 4. Brought that over all in one step. Now we're going to divide by negative 4 to have 2a minus plus b equals 1. And then b equals 1 minus 2a. Going to plug that back in over to this formula. Now solve for a. We have 5a squared minus 4a plus, or minus 1 equals 0. This doesn't factor out nicely, so we have to use the quadratic formula. And square root of 36 is 6, so it's 4 plus minus 6 over 10 is a. So a equals 1. Or a equals negative 1/5. And we're looking for the fractional components of a. So all we are worried about is a, so let me just plug in a again for b, or a in here to find b. So negative 1/5 squared plus b squared equals 2. That's 1 over 25 plus b squared equals 2. That's 50 over 25, so then b squared equals 49. And then b equals the square root of 49 over 25, or 7 over 5. So AB is negative 1 over 5, comma 7 over 5.